Hello friends, I am here today to call myself out and to call you out, so get ready. I'm Courtney. I am a mystic, alchemist, channel, all the things, but I really don't like labels, so struggling with that. To be completely honest, right now the cosmos are in full force, doing all the things to stop us from trying to figure it out, from getting in our way, and show us that we have all the answers right here, right now, in any moment. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper into this, but first of all, we're gonna breathe, we're gonna connect, we're gonna feel. So if you can, finding space to sit down, finding somewhere where you can close your eyes. If you can't, just listening will work as well. If you can, placing your hand over your heart and your belly, closing your eyes, and focusing in on your breath. Feeling your breath as it enters your body, and following your breath deeply into your being, into your inner world. With every cycle of breath, tuning in to yourself, to your truth, to your light, to your magic, to your power that is all right here, right now. Becoming aware of whatever, however you're feeling. Starting to take your breath as full as you can, so fully expanding your belly on the inhale, holding at the fullness of your breath. On your exhales, fully releasing, emptying all the way out. Using your breath to bring you here, to calm your nervous system, to dissipate any heaviness in your chest, to recalibrate you, to align you. To bring you into the embodiment of all that you are here and now. Anything that does not feel true, anything that does not align with your highest and best, releasing it on the exhales. Anything that right now you are carrying that is in any way lower vibrational, letting it go with every exhale. On every inhale, becoming more aware and creating space for whatever needs to come through for you today. Both hands to your heart. Softening your breath and bringing your awareness to your heart. Seeing if you can feel the beat of your heart, hear the beat of your heart. And just asking your heart what it has to share right now. What does your heart want to feel? What does it want to do? What is your heart craving, calling for, guiding you to do. Pressing your hands together at the center of your chest. Bringing a smile to your face. Blinking your gaze open to your fingertips. Namaste. Okay. So first of all, if you need to take a moment, write down anything that came through in that for you. We have the power in any moment to know what we need. It's just that we give our power away to everything outside of ourselves. You are the power. And when you plug in to the now, through breathing, through feeling, through being conscious, the answers are here. And right now, everything that's happening with all the cosmic alignments that I'm not going to go into in this video are showing us very powerfully, for those of us that are really here to wake the fuck up, what is not working, so that we can stop being in our way. And the number one way that I am seeing myself and so many others being in their way right now is trying to figure it out. Trying to find the answer, is trying to know where anything is going to take us. We're all stuck in trying to figure out the future based in things of the past. When we come here now in the moment, we know it takes work to be willing to feel and hear and experience ourselves in the moment. And it's really crazy that that's so hard for so many of us to do, but it's time. And if you've been feeling recently like things are just chaotic, like everything is falling apart, if you're feeling like everything that you're doing is just taking more work, more energy, if you're feeling it's just not working, it's because it's not meant to. You need to stop making it so fucking hard for yourself. We overcomplicate life. It should be completely effortless, easy. I don't even know what word next. For us to be us. It should be the easiest thing in the world to do. And yet, for most of us, it's the most complicated. Because we're spending so much time trying to figure it out, trying to know, comparing ourselves to others, looking for the answers out here. It is all in here. It can be as easy as taking 2 minutes to consciously breathe and connect and feel and trust yourself. It is time to trust yourself, to trust in what feels right for you. Not trusting your logical mind that's trying to figure it out, that's trying to justify, trusting in what feels good. If you are truly here to live a limitless life, which that's why all of our souls came here, every single one of us has limitless potential within us. If you are here to live a limitless life and you want to consciously choose that, that means that you need to be willing to bravely just do, just go. To not know what is coming next, but to know that right now, if this feels good, if this feels aligned, if I am embodied in myself in the now, it is going to work out exactly how it's meant to. It's so fun and it's so free and it's so fucking easy, but it's also incredibly complicated because our humanness plays on the past. Our ego comes to the surface trying to save us from being in any situations we've been in before and playing like we are that person that we were when that happened in the past, but we are not that. If you are here listening to this, I know that you have evolved so much more than you're giving yourself credit for. And if you start to step into the power in the now, you will see that. And the more that we step into the now and we trust ourselves blindly, courageously, bravely, being exactly as we want to be, the rewards that come are wild. It is meant to, and by it I mean you, your life, is meant to be beyond your wildest dreams. You can't even comprehend how good it can be. Universe, source, God, the divine have a way better plan. Your highest self is always here leading and guiding you. He has brought you here today. You're hearing this because something in this is meant to activate you trusting yourself a little bit more. Stop trying to figure it out based in your logical thinking, justifying ways, and start feeling it out. That is the way. Being in the now, feeling, breathing, and following whatever feels right and true for you. From there, everything will start to show up. You will only be rewarded fully by the universe when you are choosing yourself. Until then, the challenges, the struggles, the frustration is all going to keep happening. So anywhere that anything right now is just not working, let it be. Stop trying to figure it out. Focus on what feels good. Let yourself follow the energy. The energy is never wrong. If the energy doesn't feel good, don't follow it. If the energy feels good, follow it. It really is that easy. I hope that this helped you. I trust that you know. It's time for you to trust that you know. The cosmos know you know. Your higher self is here. You've got this. Thank you. If you like this video and you want more, please like, please subscribe, and I would love it so much if you commented below and let me know what your heart wants.